I think to begin is what inspired me to get into agriculture. While my traditional background, professional background is not agriculture, is to say that the onset of COVID-19 was the biggest trigger for me. During COVID-19, people died, and not just people that out there, but people that I know. And when I asked myself why, it was because of pre-existing condition that came as a result of the food that they eat, and it is the inputs, the food, the inputs into when growing those foods that brought in those pre-existing conditions. So I asked myself, can I do something different in terms of the way we produce our foods from the farm? Definitely, the number of challenges, but I would point out about 3 of them. Number 1 is the lack of market. Actually, it's not lack of the market. There is market, but the lack of market linkages. So farmers don't know where the market is and even how to access that market. Then the other challenge is the weather. The changing patterns of the weather, where it will rain today and tomorrow it doesn't rain, and it can be dry for a long period. And even the rain itself, when it comes, it floods. And so the other issue that we faced is the lack. When you now go full swing, you don't have finances to grow. So funding, and many funding organizations only fund value-add agriculture. So I decided to set up Fairways green markets to help solve these 3 problems. That one is to link farmers to the market. The second is to provide opportunities to link farmers to technology that helps them to reduce the risk of extreme weather, that is the extreme rainfall and extreme sun, and then also link farmers to funding opportunities. So through the Farmers Open Day that we've had today, we brought together different stakeholders from the national government, the county government, through the Ministry of Agriculture, and most importantly, the farmers, the key stakeholders who are the farmers, because we can, one of the challenges that you'll find is that the market will require consistent production, and farmers are key in that consistent production. If you don't have enough farmers, you lose the market. So we have the farmers, we're bringing the farmers on board. And again, the other stakeholders that have, like the agronomists and the agrovets, this brought them on board as well. And in addition, we had other stakeholders that provide the solutions, the technologies, the climate smart technologies, sustainable farming technologies, and also the digital platform that now links all these people together. Out of this forum today, we have realized that we need more partnership, we need more collaborations to make this work. So from across the board, we need to partner with everybody that are interested in making agribusiness and work. We are, as Fairways Green Markets, are ready to link, to use that partnership to link, to make sure that farmers benefit at the end.